Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get verified for Fiverr Pro on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we want to go ahead and log into our account. So if you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the sections you can access, you can see your browsing history and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get verified for Fiverr Pro and offer our services on Fiverr. Basically guys, you can see the first thing we can do is go ahead and switch to seller mode to start offering our services. So click on your profile icon right here in the upper right corner and click become a seller. That's going to enable you to go ahead and switch to seller mode. After that, we can get started with Fiverr Pro right here. So click on Fiverr Pro, and now as you can see, we can either find people to hire or we can offer pro services. So we want to go ahead and click this option right here, and after clicking this guys, you can see now we can connect with clients in our league. So this is how we can get started with becoming a pro. So as you can see, here is the application process and how it works. You want to scroll all the way down, and here you'll be able to go ahead and apply. So you want to go ahead and click apply now. That's going to enable you to fill out the form with all of your info if you're ready to go pro and so on. Fill out everything, and after submitting your application, they will notify you if you have been verified and accepted as a pro. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.